Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a QIF file to compatible with your accounting software QIF file. Let's say you have a case when you have a QIF file, but it's not imported by your accounting software, or it is imported but incorrectly by your accounting software. You can use FixMyQIF utility to fix all these issues, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start FixMyQIF and select a QIF file. Review transactions before converting. Make sure you convert in correct QIF file. Set QIF target to match your accounting software. Set account name to match what you have in your account software. Set the account type and set expected date format for your accounting software. Click the Convert button to create a new QIF file. Confirm the file name and the file location. Now switch to Quicken or your accounting software, and in Quicken we will be importing into Checking account, and we set the account name Checking in FixMyQIF. To import a QIF file, click File, File Import QIF file. Select a new QIF file. Select all account for Quicken 2017 and Quicken 2014 or earlier Quicken version. And select actual account if you're using Quicken 2018 or 19. Click the Import button to import transactions. Now transactions are imported. You can review them and accept them into the register. Thank you for watching.